Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make text transparent here in CapCut PC. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to text, add in your text right here. Okay, just like so. Now, once done, select a preset style if you want to, and then the font. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to be using this one right here, just for example. All right, and then once that's done, the same exact panel, just scroll all the way down until you find the blend option. So what you'll do is just go ahead and lower it down until you find the transparency that you like. All right, you could also change the colors from here, just like so, to make it seem blending. All right, and that's basically it. That's how simple it is to make text transparent here in CapCut PC. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.